Howdy folks, DJ Smoker back with you on this absolutely stunning afternoon in the state of Florida. Uh, Even though it was 30 degrees at some point, this weather is phenomenal and basically had to get out and do some content for you today. So what we're doing is a Philly chicken slider. We're going to use ground chicken. We're going to use chicken bacon, first time doing that. Sauteed onions. We're going to use a W sauce, secret hamburger sauce, that hint, hint, wink, wink, you may see coming to you soon. Never know, I'm just saying. And we're going to get it going. So show you what we're working with here today. So we got our skillet going here. Got our onions cut up. We're going to be using a SPG to flavor our onions. As I mentioned before, obviously we got the W sauce. And we're using a sweet and smoky rub for our ground chicken. Working on the big green egg today, getting up to temp. I want it nice and hot, so I'm just going to let it roll for a little bit. But in the meantime, we're going to go ahead and get started dropping our onions. So we're going to let these saute down real good. Get these seasoned up with a little SPG. This is Kinder's brand. Just picked this up at the our local Walmart here. And we're going to get ready to wait for the egg to come up to temp. I'm really excited, looking forward to this chicken applewood bacon. And we're going to throw a little pepper jack cheese on the Slider Bun. So stay with us, don't go anywhere. We'll be back. All right, folks. We're going to go ahead and start smashing our chicken here. As you can see, we got them in little balls, the same way you would with ground beef. So what we're going to do with these, we're going to let them brown a little bit here. Then we'll flip. Then we'll smash. Then we'll season. So we're going with McCormicks sweet and savory, one of my favorites, go-tos. We'll finish the chicken bacon. I'll tell you how that turns out. Let's give it a little taste. Not too bad. So the green egg is about 400. So we got a little bit of browning going. In case you're wondering, using the grill grate today. These should be very simple to smash, as I thought. You want these about slider size. That's looking good. Now we're gonna go ahead and get them seasoned up. Now we're gonna get a little fancy. I got some caramelized onions going on top, and when we flip, these are going to end up on the bottom, obviously, and cook right into the chicken patty, and just beautifully infuse into the chicken, given that that's why I'm calling it chicken Philly. So we're gonna let these cook. Give you a good shot here. Hello. As I said, we're on the green egg using the grill grate, flat side. And we're gonna flip these in just a second. All right, we'll be back on the flip. All right, we're going in for the flip. Oh wow, look at that. Now I'm going to show you the key to this in a second. Once you get them flipped, you want to come back, press, see that flame up, that's good. I want a little bit of sear. The grill grates are doing their job. Now I'm gonna let that get a nice crust on it. We're gonna come back and throw on our buns. Now, you remember me talking about my special hamburger secret sauce, right? Stay with us because we're getting ready to put it all together. We're using a potato bun. We're going to put these on the grill and get them nice and warm. And I'm going to show you a little trick and a little preview of the W's secret sauce. We'll be right back. All right, you've probably seen this before or something like it, right? So we're gonna take the W sauce and put about a tablespoon into this secret sauce. Mix it up real good. I'm telling you, you want to level your game up, try this stuff. Hit me in the comments below and I'll possibly, maybe, tell you what's in it. Get our buns on. On the perimeter there. All right, so next going on are half slices of pepper jack cheese, which I basically broke in half here. Do 2 more here. Nothing special, just regular store-bought Sargento brand pepper jack. And because we're working with sliders, I'm just taking them in half like this and getting them ready. So the way this is going to go when we start to build, and I'm going to add a little bit of jalapeno. These are sweet jalapeno, not like your regular jalapeno. I can have those, but I really like these. All right, I'm gonna get one ready for Mrs. Smoker real quick. Slice of cheese going on that one. One burger, one piece of bacon. And we're gonna be ready to come off here in just a second. The way we're going to do this, put the top bun on, hold it, flip, all right, I think we're ready for this one. Top bun on. Flip. There we go. All right. All right, folks. We've come off. Take a look. Chicken Philly, chicken Applewood bacon sliders. How about that? All right, folks, I think that's going to be a wrap, right? Another successful cook. I'd like to thank the good folks that support the channel. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Leave some comments down below if you want to try this. I'm going to actually put it into a recipe and drop it in the comments. And till then, happy Sunday. Enjoy football. And put some smoke in the air. DJ Smoker, and I'm out.